This is oil film on the windshield. They are caused by contamination of the daily exhaust gas. To solve this issue, we can use the bluechem pre-protect cleaning milk for glass to clean it up. Spread the product evenly on the windshield. Then, we want to clean the surface evenly across. The product goes deep into the glass to clean up the contamination. In this situation, using a sponge is good enough. The idea is to provide friction to help the product to penetrate. In some highly contaminated situation, we may use polish machine to do the job. Always apply the product on wet windshield. Water helps to lubricate the surface. Rinse the windshield with water after the cleaning process. The oil film is now removed. Cleaning the oil film gives us the best visual possible for driving. The product is easy to apply and increase customer satisfaction.